Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, and probably tomorrow, I don't know, we'll see. We're gonna attempt to make a grapple bucket for the old Kubota because we are tired of picking up rails and posts and trees over and over and over again, moving them from here to there. And you know, we thought this would be way easier, and well, assuming we can make it, it'll be easier. Anyways, we can do it. So we got some 1/4-inch plate, good hoses, got ourselves a little ram there, and we're gonna make a template on a piece of cardboard to cut our little teeth out of it, and just gonna see what happens. I don't know. Coming back. We got ourselves a little template cut out of cardboard for our bucket teeth. Anyways, we're gonna cut 4 of them out because we want to save material. Like, we don't need no more than 4 of them. It'll be structurally sound, you know, to pick up a few rails. My Kubota can't pick up 10,000 pounds, so we're gonna treat it like it can only pick up, what, 1,200 pounds? 1,400 pounds, something like that. So we're gonna get the old torch out. Yeah, we're gonna get the torch out, cut one of these out, and then do 3 more, and see where we're gonna go from there. We have a 3.5-inch pipe or so. It's going to pass through the top part to be the main structure, weight-bearing area. It's also going to mount the top teeth and the ram, so we got one passing through there. Down here, we're going to probably pass through just a little under 2.5-inch pipe for the strength down there. Some teeth. Here we go. Cut-a-roo. Okay, we got one of our teeth cut out. It's ready to get grinded up. Austin here's going ahead and laying out another one for me to cut up. Do that, and then we got 2 more after that one. Okay, well, we're getting kind of set up here to do a little bit of tacking here. You kind of see a little bit of what's going on. Trying to come together. Anyways, that's kind of what she's going to look like. Hopefully. We got these 3 tacked on. We'll slide it over, tack this other end one on. Try to put our cross pieces in down there, as well as up here. Maybe build some, I don't know if you call them gussets or whatever they're called, at the end there to strengthen the teeth part of it. Anyways, here we go. Back a little bit. Okay, so this is what we got going on here. We're using these little magnetic squares. Kind of hold that up to that height. Gonna weld this baby in. I'm gonna tack it in, really, but you can get it in right there. See what happens. Hey guys, look! I caught my finger on fire. Oh, jeez. Douse it. It's gonna ruin my stitches. All right, everybody. Well, we got some other things we got to go do. for the rest of the day. And this is as far as we got. So we'll be back tomorrow, but for you guys, it'll be like 1 second. See you in a bit. Oh, hello there. Welcome back. It's morning for us. Anyways, we're back at it. We're going to finish welding this up, and then we're going to mock it up to mount on the tractor, and from there we'll start the top grapple, see what happens. Okay, well, we got this part all welded up. She's ready to rock. Ready to roll.
You're too close to get judged.
Yeah, like, stop judging me. It's gonna hold together. It'll stay, don't worry. Anyways, okay, now we're gonna mock up the old quick attach. Figure that out. 1, 2, buckle my shoe, coming back. Okay, well, we got a little bit of a setup started on this deal. Got our mounting places started, not boxed in, welded in yet. Well, we're getting her fapped up. Something going on down there that's starting to look like something. I know it ain't perfect, but we're gonna get her done. It's gonna work. Okay, well, we got her kind of mounted up, best of our abilities. Keep in mind that the only metal we bought was the 1/4 inch plate, and the rest of it we've kind of found out of our junk pile, so we've just been kind of piecing stuff together. We kind of came up with that. It's a little bit choppy, but you know what? It's actually pretty solid on both sides. Mounts up fairly nice. I think we're gonna go ahead and put a round bar, probably like, what is that, 3/4 inch, 1 inch stuff across here as kind of a support that this will kind of just sit up against, give us some extra support. Do that on both sides. Yeah, that's about the size right there. Okay, yeah, we're gonna put some of that in there. Give it a little bit more strength, but for right now she's pretty solid, and we're just itching to try it out. We don't have the top on yet, but we're gonna grab a couple rails with it and just see how it does. So, all right, let's go grab a couple rails. That would have worked great if we had them all lined up, centered. Yeah. Picks them up, slams them down. All right, well, everybody, that's the part one of the homemade grapple We're just out of time on this project for this week, so we're gonna have to revisit this next weekend or after that. We just got too much work going on, but we got a good start. You know, honestly, like you've probably seen just a minute ago, it works as a little fork for the rails and stuff, but it'll be nice to get that top hand on there to grab them and do what it's supposed to do. But we're getting there. It's looking pretty good. So we'll see, probably in a week or two we'll finish this one up, see how that goes. But we'll catch you next time. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.